Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am finally coming back to some Reaper Bones minis. This is one of the Gnoll Warriors, which is also one of their really old style of minis with the flexible plastic, as this is very wobbly. It was primed in Desert Tan and I start off with Leather Brown for all of the fur. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description. There you can share anything you have been hobbying on. I do stream on Twitch on Thursdays and Sundays at around 8 PM UK time if you want to come and hang out while playing some games. Next up is the only piece of clothing, and for this I used intermediate green. For the wooden part of the shield I used dirt splatter. With the way the texture is, you can kind of paint this up as beaten up metal instead of wood, but I didn't notice that until after the paint and the wash had gone on. Now for the main metallic with weapon bronze. This is used for every piece of armor and the shield surround. Not everything will stay this color, but this is a good base layer to add some silver over the top. With the metallics now covered, I grabbed Chaotic Red to do the main, just to make it pop a bit against the other colours of the mini. For all the leather straps, including the two I missed under the wrist guard, I used dark stone. This colour has a hint of brown in there so it doesn't stray too far from the colour range, but still adds a decent amount of contrast. To finish up the metallic parts, I use gunmetal. This is a nice dark silver since I can't see gnolls looking after their gear that much. I do also pick out some of the random parts of the armor plates just to add some variation. Adding a smidge of detail, I grabbed skeleton bone for the claws, teeth and eyes. With all the base colours on the mini done, it's time to actually do the base. For this I use black grey, which gives that sort of dungeon look, and the wash will add that bit of grime afterwards. To finish off the mini, it gets an all over wash of soft tone. I went for soft tone over strong tone since I don't want that sort of dark stain that you get with strong tone. Soft tone's a much lighter wash that doesn't stain so much. And that will be it for the Gnoll Warrior. It's good to get back to doing some Reaper minis since I have way too many that need painting, so it's good to get them done. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can join Discord using the link in the description. As always, there will be photos of this mini on my Instagram and Ko-fi pages. If you want to support the channel more than you already do, check out my Ko-fi page where you can drop a one-off tip towards helping me get better equipment. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, don't forget to be kind to each other.